Well, got a quick little video for y'all today. We got a 2015 Lexus IS350 F Sport, and in the case of this car, I am after this driver's side mirror. Buddy hit a traffic cone, busted the whole bottom of this puppy off. Depending on which video you're on, it's either the door panel removal video or the mirror replacement video. I'm gonna cut two out of this because we got to pull the door panel to get the mirror out. So we're gonna go ahead and just get right underway. All right, so step number one is going to be getting all the screws exposed. For this, you're gonna want something that's called a trim stick or a trim removal tool. I'll have a link right up here in the video and in the description for a set on Amazon if you don't own these, but this will prevent you from scratching up your plastics and your paint. And yeah, it's just a good tool to have on hand if you don't already have one. They're very cheap. So with that being said, we're gonna get in here and get to work. All right, so once you have your trim stick, step number one is gonna be, we're gonna get this window controls out of our way. So you'll just get right under the edge right there, just kind of twist it and pop up. So we'll pull that out and we will get this unplugged. Some of this is gonna take me two hands. I'm gonna set you up here on the dash. Hopefully you can see this, but there's just a depressor right here. You press it down with your thumb, slide the plug out. We'll stick this back in here so it's not in the way of our panel. We'll set our switches to the side. So now, all right, so now we're gonna come in here. We need to get this little panel right behind your door latch off, just like that. So I went in by the lock mechanism and just kind of did the same twisty pop. And this will come out and that will expose this Phillips head screw right here. All right, so now that we got the switches out and the cover back here, we're gonna do this the old school way with a screwdriver, but you got a Phillips screw back behind here. So I'm gonna take this one out, and then you have one right down here. So there is one little cap down here that you gotta get your trim tool behind and pop and release this cover, and you got two Phillips screws right there behind that as well. Haha! So I'm gonna get these out real quick, and this puppy's gonna be ready to come out of here. There should be push pins all down the edge of this thing. So we're gonna work a better fork in, and you just kind of slowly go down and just start popping it. Ooh, there went a little cover there. We're gonna do this all the way around this puppy. Work your way all the way around the edge, releasing every push pin. All right, so now that we've gone all the way around, so I've gone this whole edge here, all the way around the bottom, all the way up, so you'll see it's all loosey-goosey. So now, I'm gonna set you somewhere, maybe back over here. You should be able to see this just fine. So what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna grab the door panel, and what we do know is we're gonna have to release the cable that hooks to the door handle and that light at the bottom, right, to get the panel completely off. What we're gonna do is we're gonna lift it straight up. Come on, baby. There it goes. There she goes. Just like that. In our case, it looks like our door light popped out for us, so that's nice. We're gonna come unplug this plug right here, which has a little tiny depressor that my finger is pointing at, so we'll squeeze that and remove it, but it's gonna take me two hands. Okay, now then your door handle and lock here, what we're gonna do is we need to pull this up straight out of the slot just like that. Now you can rotate it over and pop the ball out. So we'll remember the white one goes on top and the green one goes below, and voila, there you have it. Door panel is removed. So then when we go back together, obviously we'll just put our ball back in, pull it around, drop it in place. We'll get our light reattached, plug everything in, and we're ready to go. So that way, if you're trying to change your speakers, or for whatever other reason you're trying to get to your window regulator, whatever, that is how you get the door panel off. So if this video helped you out, hit that thumbs up button, and subscribe if you want to see some more pairs.